Hello there, it's Ryan Chan, CEO and founder at UpKeep. Today we're going to explore a strategic process that's all about boosting efficiency, single-minute exchange of dies, or SMED for short. You'll learn about its history, benefits, and practical applications, as well as how it can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams. So, whether you're already using SMED or just considering it, this session is for you. Let's get started. Let's dive into the world of single-minute exchange of dies, or SMED for short. Now, SMED is a strategic process that's all about reducing the time it takes to complete equipment changeovers. It's a 5-step process that includes identifying the process needed, removing all external elements from internal elements, converting internal activities into external activities, creating and standardizing the process, and continuing to train your team. Some organizations might expand this into 6, 7, or more steps, but the core principles remain the same. It's all about discovery, trimming down the process, and then standardizing and streamlining everything to be as quick as possible. Now let's delve into the history of SMED. The concept originated in the 1950s and 1960s, when equipment changeovers were very common. The credit for this revolutionary idea goes to Shigeo Shingo, a Japanese industrial engineer. The goal of SMED is simple: to bring the time needed to complete equipment changeovers down to single-digit numbers. So what are some common outcomes of SMED? Well, you can expect reduced changeover times, money saved by minimizing downtime, greater employee satisfaction, smaller lot sizes leading to faster turnover time, improved customer satisfaction, less equipment downtime, smoother startup processes, and lower manufacturing costs. Now let's talk about how SMED can be used for lean manufacturing. The steps of the SMED process stay the same, but the elements might change depending on the situation. It's crucial to remember that this is an outline of the major steps, not a definitive checklist. In the first step, you need to identify the process needed. Ask yourself questions like, what's happening right now? Where are the longest delays and the fastest turnarounds? Do you need new processes? Or do you need to adjust what your organization is currently doing? Next, remove all external elements from the internal elements. External elements are tasks that can be done while the machine is still operating, while internal elements are tasks that must happen when the machine is shut down. Then, you need to convert internal activities into external activities. Here's a question to consider. Are there internal processes that can be turned into external activities? The fourth step is to create and standardize the process. Make sure all team members are on the same page and have a clear communication flow. Finally, continue training your team. Once the process is standardized and set in place, new teams must be continually trained to keep the optimal changeover time. Now let's talk about the benefits of SMED. The biggest benefit is how quickly it can change turnover times. It's also great at eliminating waste during the manufacturing process and streamlining processes. However, SMED does have limitations. It's designed for manufacturing systems and focuses on large assets with recurring or one-time work orders. There's also a lag time that can never fully be eliminated, especially when humans are deeply involved in the process. One of the easiest ways to ensure that all the steps are being followed appropriately and that the process is implemented correctly is by using a checklist. SMED has been successfully implemented in various industries. One classic example is a racetrack driver and their team. The faster they can make the needed repairs, the faster the driver can get back on the track. So should you use SMED for your needs? Well, it depends. If your factories or manufacturing plants use processes that cycle or repeat a number of tasks, then yes, SMED could be beneficial. However, if these aren't challenges that you're facing, it might be better to optimize the practices that you already have in place instead of adopting SMED. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on SMED. We've covered its history, benefits, practical applications, and how it can revolutionize your maintenance and operations teams. Remember, it's all about reducing changeover time, saving money, and streamlining processes. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching.